Okay, class, here's number 42 from the assignment, section 4.8. You're given that there's a fire tower here and right here. Okay, you're told that there's a fire up here in the woods. Okay, big fire. And you're supposed to figure out the distance to that fire from a line drawn between the two towers. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, we got two triangles here. The first triangle is the one on the left. And I'll just say this bottom is y for it. We'll figure out that bottom in a second, but for now it's just y. The outside angle is 76, which would mean the inside angle is 14 degrees. Alright, and then this distance is d. So we can set up tangent of 14 equals d over y. Get it equal to y. Y equals tangent. Y equals d divided by tangent 14. Okay, the other triangle is a little more difficult. If we know the outside angle is 56, we know the inside angle then would be 34. Again, this is going to be d, but the bottom side is the tricky one. If we called this side y, then this side over here would be 30 minus y. Let's see what that means. If this is y, to find this side over here, we would take 30 minus y. So that's how this works mathematically. And then we can set up a triangle over here, which we did. But we can use tangent again because we have an angle, opposite, adjacent. So tangent 34 would equal d over 30 minus y. Okay, now I'm going to multiply both sides by 30 minus y. When I do that, I get tangent. Let's go 30 tangent 34 minus tangent. Put the y in here. Y tangent 34, and then this equals d. Okay, pause the video if you don't understand that, and I'll try walk you through it after you pause it. But see if you can figure out how we get this on your own. Okay, now that you've paused the video, what we're doing is we're rainbowing in tangent 30. We're multiplying both sides by 30 minus y. So it's going to cancel out on the right side here. Okay, but on the left side, I have to take this times 30, and that's what I get right there. And then I have to take negative y times tangent of 34 again, also, and that's what I get right there. And then I'm just left with d on the other side. Okay, I want to solve this for y. I want to solve this whole thing for y so I can put it into y equals on my calculator. This is solved for y, so if I can get this to solve for y, I can see where these two lines cross, and that'll give me my y value and my d value. Okay, so solving this for y, I'm just going to bring this to the other side and bring the d to the other side also. So I get 30 tangent 34 minus d equal to y tangent 34. I'm going to divide everything by tangent of 34. So on the left side, I get 30 tangent 34 minus d divided by tangent 34, and this equals y. Okay, be careful putting this into your calculator. You're going to need parentheses on both sides here. The other side should, this blue one up here should be fine. So put this in as y equals. Put this in as y equals. Zoom 6. Okay, that's the standard zoom. However, you won't see your answer when you just do zoom 6, but after you do zoom 6, do zoom fit, and I think it's the last one, zoom fit. It's, yeah, 0. On my calculator it's 0. I don't know what it is on your particular calculator, but zoom fit, and when you do that, you get a cross. They cross right about here. And that point, the x value of this point, is your answer, which the x value of this point in your calculator would be the d value. The distance equals 5.46 miles.